Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I'm bringing you another product unboxing. And today we have the Spigen Essential Fast Wireless Charger F306W. Now before I get started, I do want to give a huge shout out for Spigen for dropping me this wireless charger. I had no idea it was coming, so it's always good to get things when you're not expecting it. You can never have enough wireless chargers sitting around your place. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, upon receiving this wireless charger, I did go on Spigen's website, taking a look, and I saw that it was $60, which is $59.95, and that automatically made me assume that was in direct competition with the Mophie wireless charger and the new Belkin wireless charger that came out alongside the iPhone 10. So I really wanted to give it a try. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Flip it over on the back. You can actually read some of these details for yourself. As you see, output 5 watts, 7.5 watts, or your 9 watts. Charging power 10 watt max, and it does come with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 adapter. So let's go ahead and jump into the box. Now I did tear it open already. So here is basically your base. So we're going to set this to the side. As you see here, we do get our Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 adapter, and it has some Spigen branding there on the side. Set that there. And we also get a charging cable. And this cable is actually a very nice cable. It actually has Spigen branding on it right here. And it's actually a braided, as you can see here. It's an actually braided cable, which is pretty good. Pretty different when you come with your standard, rubber coated cable. So very nice quality cable included from Spigen there. So we're going to put that to the side. Let's go ahead and take this little rubber wrap. No, we don't have to take it completely off. We can leave that there. That is your charger there. So let's go ahead and pop out the actual charging base itself. Now, like I said, guys, I do have these wireless chargers set up all over the place. I don't know why this is giving me a hard time, so we're just going to jump right into it and tear it open. Okay, live drop test on the channel, but it is what it is. So here it is. So here it is, guys, the Spigen wireless charger. Now, this is probably one of the nicest wireless chargers that Spigen has came out with. If you know the style before, they had a very flat, plasticky style, but this one actually feels very good. Actually, on the top of it is a rubber base, and as you see, it has Spigen branding there on the top. On the back, you do have a rubber grip on the bottom of it, so it doesn't really slide. It actually stays right in place when it's on your desk or anything, so that actually is a good touch there. So let's go ahead and get this thing plugged up, and let's go ahead and see how it actually charges, how it actually performs. So we're going to slide that there. And for right now, I'm not going to reach down and plug it up with my power. I'm just going to plug it into my Thunderbolt 3 dock right here in the front, which should just give me enough power to actually finish the video off without actually plugging in. But as you can see, you do get a red notification LED here to let you know that it is powered on. And let's go ahead and drop my iPhone 10 up there. And hopefully it will go ahead and power. Now, I'm not sure how the placement needs to be. Now, I'm not sure if it's blinking, letting me know that it's not getting enough charge. But right now, it is not giving me a charging sound or anything like that. So we're going to pause the video, get it plugged up actually in the power cord. Let's see if it makes a difference. So hold real quick. All right, cool. So we're back in with the video. Drop it on the wireless charging. As you can see, wireless charging is working just fine. Now, one thing to note, and this is exactly what I tried to do when I first put it on the wireless charger, was that you have to have it hooked up to the wall directly. Now, I'm not sure, it's probably have to do with how much current is pulling, but I actually plugged it up into my Thunderbolt 3 dock. If you see my video, the Cow Digit Thunderbolt 3 dock, and it did not power it. And I had to actually run it to an actual outlet to get wireless charging. Now, as you see, when the phone is charging, let me see if I can pick that up. You do get a pulsating orange light, and that's a nice touch. Maybe pulsating orange, Spigen color is orange. I'm not sure, but that is a pretty nice point right there when it's actually charging. But nonetheless, it is charging, and you kind of got to watch the placement of it, which I see because the placement is kind of funny. But once you find that sweet spot with charging it, you are absolutely fine. And this does include fast wireless charging, like I said. So once again, this is the Spigen Essential Fast Wireless Charger, the F036, as you see right here on the box. The price was, once again, $59.95. I will leave that link to the product down in the description below. And as always, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.